Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, we're gonna make some muffins. All right, I'm gonna make 6 big ones. You can make 12 small ones. All right, and I got these cute containers from the dollar store. They're so cute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil and I'm gonna dust it with some flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and tip a little bit in it. This can grease like 2 of them, and you want to do it like so. Make sure you grease right around, guys. You're gonna pick up a little bit of flour and you're just gonna drizzle it in the bottom, just like so. To start off, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. I have a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. You want to flavor up your banana muffins, optional. All right, I have 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon clove, 1/2 teaspoon mace, and 1/2 teaspoon Jamaican allspice or mixed spice. All right, and that's it for the dry ingredients. You want to sieve this. I'm just going to use a spoon to rub it out. We're going to give this a little mix. And we're gonna set this aside. Over here I have 3 well-ripe banana, and I'm gonna use my potato masher and I'm gonna mash it up. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna break my eggs, but if you like, you can add them straight in. I don't like the whites, guys. You know, I have to take the whites out. I'm sorry. We're on to the goodness. All right, I'm gonna pour 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and guys, you want to give this a little mix. You know, I have my coconut oil. You see it, guys? Real coconut oil. Can you see it? Smell rancid and all. Now guys, I'm gonna go in with 1/3 of coconut oil. I'm gonna give this a little mix. And now I'm gonna add my 2 eggs. Give this another little mix. You don't have to over mix this, guys. All right, I'm gonna pour, say, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla. And the next thing, I'm gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 cup, and that's it. Mix this. And now I'm gonna add my flour mixture. I'm gonna pour the rest, and that's it, guys. And this is it. We're just gonna pour it out. I'm gonna use the same measuring cup and I'm just gonna scoop some in. I'm gonna put about a cup and a little bit. I'm gonna let it be like 3/4. And I think I have enough for one more. Alright guys, before we pop this bad boy in the oven, I have a little bit of almond slices and I'm gonna put a little bit just in the middle. I just set them on the tray because it's easier to handle. I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 20-25 minutes and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you. If it's more or less time guys, I'll let you know. And guys, my oven is preheated at 350 Fahrenheit. All right. I actually left them in there for 30 minutes. All right, because they're big. And look at that. Oh, we're gonna try one. All right, once you put your hand like this and then bounce back nicely, we're gonna check it out, make sure it bake. All right, once you insert this thing and it come up clear, it's good. If them no bake, boy, I have to put them back in. Yes, them bake. All right, so them good to go. All right, I'm gonna let them completely cool guys, and then I'm gonna cut one or break one and show you. Make sure you put the knife right around, and then you're just gonna come on out, buddy. There it is guys, and I'm gonna set it over here. Let's cut one and show you guys. Oh, see how soft it is. Look how bouncy. Can you see that? Guys, this is my soft and moist, delicious banana muffins. Can you see that guys? Look how soft. Look there guys. Look how soft. Look at that. Ooh, it's like sponge. And that's the final result guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. Delicious, tasty and moist. Yes. Have a good day guys. Bye. My goodness, look how it just rise up back. Oh, look at that guys. Can you see that? My goodness. And guys, this one is not sweet at all. If you want it sweeter, you can add a cup of sugar. I just add 3/4 and this is fine by me because I don't really want it too sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at this guys, look at this. Look at that. Look how soft. Woo.